Let's learn to ask more questions in Tagalog. Kumusta po kayo? My name is Jay and welcome to my channel, Let's Go Tagalog, the channel that is dedicated in guiding you in your journey in learning the beautiful language Tagalog. If you are new to this channel, please check out the previous videos to keep you up to speed. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you will be updated of new videos. We are continuing our discussion on a huge topic, and that is the Tagalog personal pronouns. We have started discussing Group 2 of the Tagalog personal pronouns, which in itself is a huge subtopic. In the last two videos, we have covered the possessive nature of personal pronouns under Group 2. If you have missed those, the links are in the description down below, so please do check them out. In this video, we will be constructing simple Tagalog questions using the possessive nature of Group 2 personal pronouns. So, tara, magsimula na tayo. Do you remember these sentence patterns from 2 videos back? Ito ay ang lapis ko. Lapis ko ito. This is my pencil. We can turn these sentences into questions. Let's try. Ano ito? What is this? Ito is often shortened to to. But in this video, we will practice with ito. You may respond this way. Iyan ay ang lapis ko. That is my pencil. Iyan is often shortened to yan. In this video, we will practice with iyan. Let me also just say that in more conversational speech, ang may be omitted. But let's practice the correct way of saying this sentence. You can break the rules later. Lapis ko iyan. That is my pencil. Let's try some more. Ano ito? Iyan ay ang bag ko. Bag ko iyan. Ano ito? Iyan ay ang damit niya. Damit niya iyan. Ano iyan? Ito ay ang gamit ko. Gamit ko ito. Ano iyan? Ito ay ang libro ko. Libro ko ito. Okay, you must be wondering how to say whose book is this. We will cover that when we get to Group 3 of the Tagalog personal pronouns because the response to that question will use pronouns under Group 3. I promise. Now, what if you wish to use the name of the person the object belongs to? You can still use these sentence patterns, but we need to do something with the proper noun or the name of the person. Remember our lesson on case markers in episode 12? We have learned in that episode that proper nouns or names of persons cannot stand alone. You need to have a case marker attached to it. For singular, we use si. For plural, we use sina. Let me introduce you to the new case markers we will use in our lesson today. Ni and nina. Ni and nina are indirect case markers that are paired with proper nouns or names of people to substitute with Group 2 personal pronouns. And it can fit into our patterns. For example, ano iyan? Ito ay ang lapis ni Marie. So instead of niya, you can mention the name of the person. Lapis ni Marie ito. This is Marie's pencil. Ano ito? Iyan ay ang gamit ni Peter. Gamit ni Peter iyan. That is Peter's stuff. Ano ito? Ito ay ang libro ni Ariana. Libro ni Ariana ito. This is Ariana's book. To ask a question in the plural form, we need to insert the plural marker mga before the case marker ang. Like, ano ang mga ito? Iyan ay ang mga gamit ni na Peter at June. Mga gamit ni na Peter at June iyan. Those are Peter's and June's things. Ano ang mga iyan? Ito ay ang mga paninda ni na Ariana at Marie. Mga paninda ni na Ariana at Marie ito. These are Ariana's and Marie's products. Cool? Now, let's have some more examples. Ano ang mga ito? Iyan ay ang mga koleksyon ko. Mga koleksyon ko iyan. Those are my collections. Ano ang mga iyan? Ito ay ang mga alahas ko. Mga alahas ko ito. These are my jewelries. Moving on. Do you remember these sentence patterns from 2 episodes back? Siya ay ang lolo ko. Lolo ko siya. He is my grandfather. We can also turn these sentences into questions. Please take note of the placements of the words in the pattern. Sino siya? Who is he? Siya ay ang lolo ko. He is my grandfather. Lolo ko siya. He is my grandfather. Sino siya? Siya ay ang tatay ko. Tatay ko siya. He is my father. Sino siya? Siya ay ang nanay ko. Nanay ko siya. She is my mother. Sino siya? Siya ay ang kapatid ko. Kapatid ko siya. He is my brother or she is my sister. Remember, kapatid is gender neutral. Let's try plural subjects. Again, we will use the plural marker mga. Sino sila? Sila ay ang mga magulang ko. Mga magulang ko sila. They are my parents. Sino sila? Sila ay ang mga kapatid ko. Mga kapatid ko sila. They are my brothers, or they are my sisters, or they are my siblings. Sino sila? Sila ay ang mga pinsan ko. Mga pinsan ko sila. They are my cousins. Sino sila? Sila ay ang mga kaibigan ko. Mga kaibigan ko sila. They are my friends. Here is another set of question patterns. Please be mindful of the placement of the words in the following sentence patterns. Siya ba ang lolo mo? Is he your grandfather? Oo, siya ang lolo ko. Yes, he is my grandfather. Hindi siya ang lolo ko. No, he is not my grandfather. Lolo mo ba siya? Is he your grandfather? Oo, lolo ko siya. Yes, he is my grandfather. Hindi ko siya lolo. No, he is not my grandfather. Siya ba ang nanay ninyo? Nanay ninyo ba siya? Is she your mother? Oo, siya ang nanay namin. Oo, nanay namin siya. Yes, she is our mother. Hindi siya ang nanay namin. Hindi namin siya nanay. No, she is not our mother. Ito ba ay ang gamit niya? Gamit ba niya ito? Is this his or her stuff? Oo, ito ay ang gamit niya. Oo, gamit niya ito. Yes, this is his or her stuff. Hindi ito ang gamit niya. Hindi niya ito gamit. No, this is not his or her stuff. To use this pattern with plural nouns, just add the plural marker mga right before the noun. See? Ito ba ay ang mga gamit niya? Mga gamit ba niya ito? Are these his or her things? Oo, ito ang mga gamit niya. Oo, mga gamit niya ito. Yes, these are his or her things. Hindi ito ang mga gamit niya. Hindi niya ito mga gamit. No, these are not his or her things. We have talked about how to convert a sentence in the singular form to the plural form in episode 13. So if you wish to review that video, the link is in the description down below. I will pause here for now, and I will continue giving you more examples of Tagalog questions with possessive pronouns in the next video. Be sure not to miss that, and I will see you next time. Maraming salamat at hanggang sa susunod.